Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priya Saraf and today we are going to talk about 10 CBSE board exam tips, tricks, preparation, whatever. I just want to give you some points so that you can get some knowledge about the paper, because I have gave that this video is for specifically for 10 CBSE students. The paper thing will be for 10 CBSE, but the way I prepared, it's all for everyone, especially for 10 students. And also all the best to you all guys for 10 students, for 12 students, because this period is of exams for every standard. And guys, wish me luck also, because I had exams but I also have exams very soon. So yeah, I'm also busy with exams. So just let's talk about the 10 CBSE exams tips. So the first point, guys, I know you have heard this way many times in many videos, but this point is very important, that is read NCERT. Just read every word, every question, every point, anything that's printed on the book of NCERT, just go through it. You have to do NCERT, you have to read NCERT. You don't have you don't need any other reference book if you're doing NCERT perfectly, because board papers is only and only based on NCERT. Nothing out of syllabus comes in the paper. So just do the NCERT perfectly. That's the first tip, and that's the very important tip. Okay, the second point is taking out notes. Take out notes in any way you're comfortable with. I'm not going to give you any tips for taking out notes. There are many ways, and just find out the way you're comfortable with. But yeah, I'm so late to tell you this thing, so that's why I am ensuring that you might have took out notes and almost been prepared for your exams, because your exams are very soon. I know that. So just go through your notes now and read the NCERT. First 2 points are cleared. Done. The next point we are moving on is solving sample papers. Solve the sample papers. You have days for that now. Your exam will be starting from 15th February, so you have at least 5 to 10 days. Yeah, you have many days, guys. You have so many days for sample papers. You can go through the internet, search for previous year question papers, sample papers. There are many sample papers for CBSE. Go through it, solve it, go in the mindset of solving the exam paper. Best time you can, if you know your timing of the exam, the slot, you can just sit at that time every day and solve the paper. Do that thing and go into the mindset of solving the exam paper. And the next point is time management. Do the time management while solving the sample paper, all as well as while solving the exam. You have to do time management before getting the answer sheet. You have time to read the question paper, right? So utilize that time. Read the question paper, see which section is easier for you guys to solve. Start with that section, do time management, think of the answer while that 10 minutes before solving the answers, so that you don't have to waste the time while also thinking in the paper. So if you're getting my point, do time management. You have to keep that in your mind. The next point is writing skills. Guys, this is one of the very important point. Writing skills, there are some points I have brought here, but there are many points that are like that you have to find out and solve in the exam. So the point I have brought, one is highlight the keywords. The examiner don't have much time to read each and every word in your answer. So if you highlight the keywords, he'll kind of get impressed. He will not be frustrated, because he have way many papers to he have way many papers to check. And if you highlight the keywords, he will understand that you know the answer. He also does not need to check each and every word, each and every sentence. If you highlight the keywords, you just read those and give you whole marks, full marks. So the main thing that you have to highlight the keywords. Second, break the para in 3 parts: basic thing, introduction, a definition, or a summary kind of thing, then your main content, and then the conclusion. So these are the main 3 paras you have to write in a long answer. Not only long answer, but in an answer where you have to explain much more things. You have to brief the answer. Then prefer breaking the paragraph. That will be more better, and it will be more good to look at, because just how I have told you, impress the examiner. So you have to do that, break the para and then highlight the keywords. Guys, this is the best thing you can do. And also in that, just make that your sentence, the way of writing the sentence is much better. Like the figure of speech must be also good than your regular day language, because it's your CBSE board exams. So if you write the paper in a very good grammatical way, use active voice, passive voice, anything that you know in the field of grammar, so that the examiner, just have I have told you, impress him. That's also one of my point, to impress the examiner. One more point I would like to give you, that please make sure that the first page of your exam answer sheet and the last page of your answer sheet, the handwriting looks the same. Keep the speed same. This is the point you have to keep in your mind, because that's one of the thing many students do. Even I have done that the first page is so beautiful, but the last page is way much worse than that. So don't do that. Keep the speed same. You will go slow in the start and you will just run at the end. Don't do that. Keep the speed from the starting. Keep the handwriting the same. If you're having the worst handwriting, still keep the same handwriting at the end. If you're having a nice handwriting in the start, same handwriting till the end. Okay, so keep that thing in your mind while solving the paper. That's why you have to make sure you make a time management better, so that your paper will look good. You will not lose any marks because you don't get time. You know each and every answer, but not only having, because of having the time, you should not lose any marks. That's the worst thing can happen to a student. So do the time management, and that's the best tip I can give you all, guys. So basically I have this much points for now, and I just and I just wish you all the very best, guys. So yeah guys, this much only points I have for now, but these are very important points. Please look through it, go through your NCERT, go through your notes, make time management, write the paper the best way you can. This also point goes for the other board students. Write the best paper in your life. Yeah guys, just do that one thing. The examiner should get impressed after watching your paper. He should be happy after seeing your paper. One more point I just forgot to tell you guys is, it's a very basic point but it's also equally important point, that when you spell a word wrong, and after knowing that, don't scribble the word, just put a dash on it, just cut it, don't scribble it, because the word you are scribbling, the examiner can verify that, he can look at it very easily. He will spot the errors first before seeing that your answer is correct. So you can lose marks there. So when you spell a word wrong, just put a dash. And if the word is very basic, if the word is like, if it is just a like for example the, or for example off, or something very basic that no one would notice, just don't do anything. Keep that as it is. Don't scribble, don't cut, because no one's going to see that. Okay, if you're highlighting the keywords, no one's going to see that basic words, so you don't have to show that you're wrong there and cut it and write it again. So just let it be for the basic words, for the words that which are important to read for the examiner. Just put a dash, don't scribble it, because if you scribble it, your negative points will be seen first by the examiner, which are these wrong words. So don't do that. That's a point. It's very basic, but it's equally important. So that's it for today, guys. These are the amount of tips I could give you, but I just wish you very best of luck for your exams, for everyone who is giving exams, especially for my CBSE 10 student guys. I just wish you score very well. Everyone who have board exams, for the 12 students, for 10 students, for other board students, everyone, all the very best, guys. I just wish you luck, and you're going to rock, guys. I know you're going to rock. You're very well prepared. You just need a little moral support, and yeah, I'm here for you. And also, guys, oh my god, we just crossed 300 subscribers. I am so damn happy. I just can't express it. I'm so happy. Like, guys, literally 300 plus subscribers in just few months. I was making videos for years and I then went above 100, and from last 2 months you guys are supporting me so much, and I just wish you guys support me in the same way for many years, for the rest of my YouTube channel life. And I just love you all, guys. Bye. All the very best.